Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Akpeji. Today I want to prepare some sweet delicious shrimp and chicken fried rice. So if you are ready, let's go to the kitchen and start. So for this recipe I'm using boneless chicken, 2 chicken breasts, and then shrimp. So the shrimp, I'll remove mouth the mouth on it. Is it mouth that they call it? I don't know about that. So I'll just cut it and remove some rope. There's some small rope, slim rope inside. I'll just remove it. This one, I don't know if you can see it. Then I'll season it. So for the chicken, I've cut it already. It's time to do the shrimp. So guys, my shrimp too is ready. Can you see how clean it is? This is what I'm talking about. So you can leave it inside if you like it. It does nothing. So that's the chicken and the shrimp. It's time to season it. So I'm using 1 Maggi, garlic powder, onion powder, ground masala, fried rice seasoning, cumin powder, seasoning salt. You can use salt instead of that, chili pepper, curry powder, complete seasoning, vegetable oil, and then dark soy sauce. So I will go ahead and mix everything with my clean hand very well. Guys, it's done. Put it aside. Start the shrimp. Black pepper, seasoning salt, and then Maggi. Then I'll mix that one too very well and put it aside. Guys, these are the vegetables I'll be using. I'm using green onion or spring onion. I leave the down place because it have role to play. Green pepper, I'm using 1 green pepper. I already removed the seed and washed. Onion, carrot, pepper, that's hot pepper. You can use the long one, but I'm not having some, so I decided to use this one. Ginger and fresh garlic. So I'll go ahead and cut everything together very well. Guys, for the carrot, I'll grill it. So now my vegetables are already cut and ready. So this is the seasoning I'm using. I'm using black pepper, 1 Maggi, cumin powder, masala seasoning, fried rice seasoning, seasoning salt, and then complete seasoning. So guys, this is my ingredients. Everything is ready and set. I have my seasoning, my soy sauce, dark light one, my rice. So let's start frying everything and mix everything together. So I'll go ahead and burst my eggs into the bowl and start scrambling it. Guys, here's my egg. Let me add some oil into the pot. So I'll mix my egg and pour it inside the pot. So I don't want the eggs to be too small, so I'll just push it aside like this and start cutting it at the size that I like. Guys, the egg is ready, so I just go ahead and transfer it into the plate and start frying my shrimp. So I'm pouring my shrimp inside the pot. It's ready. I'll just go ahead and transfer that one to on the plate and start frying my chicken. There's no oil, so let me add some of the oil and add my chicken and fry it like some few minutes. I'm not frying this too dry, so it's done. I'll transfer that one to on the plate and start frying my vegetables. Let me add some oil. So I'm frying onion, pepper, garlic, ginger first. I'll fry that like 2 seconds before adding the carrot. It's time for the carrot and the green pepper to go in. It's looking yummy already. That's vegetable salad. Oh, are you agree with me? So guys, it's time to season my vegetables. I'll just use half of this seasoning and season the vegetables. So I'll add my dark soy sauce, small one, to the vegetable and mix everything together. Now it's time to add the rice. So I'll mix the rice with the vegetables very well. Guys, let me add my chicken and my eggs. Guys, are you loving what you are seeing? The rice is already looking yummy. Are you agree with me? So I'm adding my dark soy sauce because the rice is not that dark for me, so I needed some little darkness. So I'm adding dark soy sauce and the light soy sauce. That's my spring onion. So I add my spring onion. I want to take the fried rice to the next level. I want the fried rice to be shiny, so I'm adding some 2 tablespoons of butter. So I'll mix it very well till everything has combined very well. So now I'm adding my shrimp. Now it's ready. So this is how it look like. Are you loving it? If yes, give your girl a thumbs up. Support your girl. Subscribe to the channel for more recipe like this. If you like it, share the video. I love you all. Thank you for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. I have not taken it for granted at all. Thank you so much. So see you in my next video. Bye.